To check your transaction history on 123FormBuilder, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and access your transaction details quickly. Step 1. Log in. Visit the 123FormBuilder website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Access your dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your forms and view various settings. Step 3. Navigate to billing. Look for the billing or payment section in the menu. This is typically found in the account settings or profile options. Step 4. View transaction history. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Export or print. If you need a physical copy or want to save your transaction history, look for an export or print option. This will allow you to download the information in a preferred format. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on 123FormBuilder. If you have any further questions, consult the help section or customer support for assistance.